Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 89 Keane Street in Cloverdale. This generous sized family 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on an easy care block has had the full Monty when it comes to renovations. From a huge kitchen, brand new flooring throughout, and modern bathrooms as well. This is the easy care home that you've been looking for because it presents as a new. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour for 89 Keane Street in Cloverdale. As you can see, it's just a matter of picking the furniture for this easy care lock and leave home. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.